Greetings, y'all out there. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all are doing well. I'm here in my garden weeding, weeding out the flower beds and stuff. The weeds they grow so fast because the rain, man, we get some good shower and man, the weeds they grow even more than the plants. So you have to constantly come in the garden and check on them, trim up them, check them, make sure no diseases on them and all the good stuff and that's what I'm out here doing this morning. Yes, it's a beautiful Wednesday morning and man, I'm sweating already. It's very humid today, so I know we're probably gonna get some good shower again today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just weed out all these plants here. Man, it's a lot, but I'm doing it. I'm doing it because this is what I love to do, and it makes me feel so good. I'm telling you, this thing is stress-free. Oh my goodness, it's so awesome. It's really awesome to come out here and can work in the garden. The sweat burning my eyes. Yes, so that's what I'm doing this morning. Trying to weed out the weeds from around the plants. I need to trim up some of these. Yeah. The sweat is in my eye. Oh, yeah. So that's what I'm doing today. I hope you will enjoy all of this because it's good. Wherever you are, I'm telling you, it's amazing. You can do your little flower beds and stuff like that. As I always say, even if it's on your balcony, get some grow bags, some raised beds and put on your balcony and just grow some stuff. And go every morning, check on it, because I love when you check on them or in the afternoon. If you don't have time in the morning, maybe you have to go to work early, so you check on them in the evenings. You come home, make sure they water, make sure nothing is eating on them, all the good stuff, and take good care of it. Because you see these plants, they are very sensitive. They love for you to take good care of them. They love to see you. I'm telling you, they love when you come around and you're teasing up the roots and all the good stuff and pulling the weeds from around them. They love it. I'm telling you, you can see the difference when you're done cleaning them up. Man, it's a beautiful thing. It's such a beautiful thing. Just to I just use my hand with my gloves and just pull the weeds and tease up around the roots them, kind of mulch it and all this good stuff and make it look good. You see, like how even the banana trees, I have banana trees in my front, so you have bananas on them and stuff. I'll go around later on and I'll trim off all of these. I've been going around. Every week I have to trim them because they get dried up and you don't want them to stay on there. Because you want your plants, them to look nice. You don't want your garden to look clean. I like a clean, nice garden. I don't like to see my garden in bush, and all that stuff. Whether it's my bananas and stuff. And they're loving it. They love the way I take care of them, clean them out and just give them all the love in the garden, man. You all have to experience it, I'm telling you. When you start doing it, you don't want to stop. I am telling you. When I was in Florida and have to go to work, let me tell you, some days I said, oh my goodness, I wish I didn't have to go to work. I would just go in the backyard and just do some of my plants. I see my plants, they need me. They're looking for me, It's such a beautiful thing. When you start it, I'm telling you, if you don't start your garden yet and you want to start one, just start out from pots and, get some pots or some grow bags. You don't even have to go on Amazon and order some grow bags and start putting some vegetables and a few flowers. You want some flowers too. You want to see the beauty, of the plants, them. something to eat. And then the flowers, because you have flowers that can eat too, you know, guys. Some of these flowers that we're growing, they can eat the petals and all that stuff. Some of them can eat. Man, you get all your couple root of sorrel and put them in pot, and now you have some sorrel to make the drink or your tea. You see what I'm saying? Make it with your ginger and your cloves inside of it, and just keep it inside of the refrigerator, and you drink it when you get ready, you know. Any little thing you want to do, your kale, your arugula, put them in pot, some tomatoes, some peppers, all the good stuff. Right now I have some peppers in grow bag and they look so good. So you can do it, you know. A couple raised beds, they have the nice ones, them you can buy them, and just put a couple of them and do what you have to do, and you know, just take care of them. And once you're taking good care of them, see, I'm sweating a lot. Sweating, is very humid today. Yeah, you're taking good care of them, you will be surprised of the result that you're getting from them. It's such a beautiful thing, man. It's such a beautiful thing to put the plants them. I see all these pineapples and all these pineapples coming out, and as soon as one crop is over, more coming again. So it's just a beautiful thing to have all these things. Look all these big cocoa roots and cocoa roots. Look how big they are, you know. Hope to get some nice ones out of it. And you know, it's such a beautiful thing. The papayas, I'm telling you, we have some rat bats. And the rat bats, them at night, they're fighting to get the ripe papaya. So in the daytime, you try to pick the ones that is already turned, because if they get ripe, as soon as they don't even ripe good, they start eating. I mean, they enjoy them because they are so sweet. So they are enjoying them. I guess they say, that's my food. I'm hungry. I need food. You know, so that's what they are doing, enjoying it. So we give thanks, yes, and everything is enjoying some of what we planting too, but we can't think because we need it too, you know. We need it. So we give thanks for everything. And I hope you enjoy this little morning video that I'm out here doing in my garden. Yes. Share it, subscribe, please, and just enjoy and give me your feedback. I know that we love you very much and want you to take good care of yourself, feed yourself good, love upon yourself good. You know, just take good care of you, the children, grandma, mom, dad, everyone. Just make sure everyone is doing well. And I'm sending love to you all wherever you are. Rest well, stay well, and we will catch up later. Take care of yourself.